Today I'm going to show you how to use checkboxes in Google Sheets. Look at this beautiful example right here. This is what you can do with checkboxes. You can make them being checked or unchecked. You can also format them. You can even use conditional formatting, and I'm going to show you everything step by step. But let's get started with a simple example. Let's move to basics. So here I have a shopping list and I want to add a status, whether I've already bought these items or not. So I just mark the cells where I want to have checkboxes added, and I'm going onto the menu item insert, and here I'm choosing checkbox. So once the checkboxes are added, I can just click on them and check them. So they are either true or false, whether they're checked or not checked. So that's the easiest application. Of course, I can also do this on the right hand side here. No problem. Now we have checkboxes. Just gonna go a step back. But what you can also do is you can use the checkboxes on fields that you have already predefined. So I can write true and false here, and I can just continue that and add a couple of trues here. And now what I can do, there's already some conditional formatting right here, but no worries. What I can do here now is I can add checkboxes. I just mark everything and I go on insert and checkbox. And after I did that, you can see that it has added checkboxes, and where I wrote true, it is already checked. So this is really cool. And as you can see here, formatting is already in place. I'm also going to show you that. But before we go into conditional formatting, I'm also showing you a couple of styling options. You can style checkboxes the same way as you style any other text or string in Google Sheets. So as an example, we could change the color to red. So once they are marked, they are filled with red and all the boxes are just red. So that's one thing you can do. You can also, of course, have a background color such as yellow if you would like that. All these things you can use, so you can really format it. But now I'm going to show you conditional formatting. Just going to go a couple of steps back here. Now I'm going to show you conditional formatting, which is quite cool, I think. So you just mark the checkboxes, you go onto the menu item format, and then you choose conditional formatting. And here you choose is equal to. So I'm going down here in the menu and I'm choosing is equal to. So if it's equal to, and then I write true, we can say it should be green. Like, let's select a green color. So it should be green. And then we can add another rule and say if it's equal to false in capital, it should be red. So we choose a fill color of red. And then we hit done, and now we have conditional formatting. Once I check the checkboxes, they become green, and otherwise they stay red if they're false. So this is how to use checkboxes in Google Sheets. If you want to get better at Google Sheets, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. Bye bye.